Want bigger, healthier tomatoes? Imagine your garden brimming with vibrant, juicy tomatoes, each one a testament to your green thumb and a more productive plant. A plant that not only looks lush and green but also rewards you with an abundant harvest. Proper pruning is the key. It's not just about snipping away at random, it's a strategic process that can transform your tomato plants. In this video, I'll walk you through the best techniques to maximize your tomato yield. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced tips that even seasoned gardeners might find useful, while keeping your plants strong and disease-free. Pruning improves airflow, reduces disease risk, and ensures that your plants get the sunlight they need, and directs the plant's energy toward producing more fruit instead of excess leaves. This means more delicious tomatoes for you to enjoy. But pruning the right way is important. Incorrect pruning can stress the plant and reduce your yield. These little shoots, called suckers, grow in the leaf axils between the main stem and branches. They might seem harmless, but they can actually hinder your plant's productivity. If left unchecked, they can take up valuable energy without producing much fruit. This energy could be better used to grow larger, tastier tomatoes. For indeterminate tomato varieties, removing suckers helps the plant focus on fruit production. These varieties continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season, so managing their growth is crucial. Simply pinch them off when they are small, about 2-4 inches long. This is the best time to remove them because they are still tender and easy to manage. Removing lower leaves prevents soil-borne diseases from splashing onto your plant. These diseases can be devastating, so it's important to keep the lower part of your plant clean. Use clean pruning shears to snip off any yellowing or damaged leaves near the bottom. Clean tools are essential to prevent the spread of disease from one plant to another. If your plant is too dense, selectively remove some inner branches to allow better sunlight penetration. This not only helps with fruit production but also keeps the plant healthy. This helps your tomatoes ripen faster. Sunlight is crucial for the ripening process, and a well-pruned plant ensures that all parts get enough light. Prune your tomatoes regularly, but avoid excessive cutting, especially during extreme heat. Pruning in the right weather conditions helps the plant recover quickly. Always use clean tools to prevent spreading disease. Sanitize your tools before and after use to keep your garden healthy. With the right pruning techniques, you'll enjoy a healthier plant and a bigger, tastier harvest. Imagine the satisfaction of picking a basket full of ripe, juicy tomatoes that you've grown yourself. Subscribe for more gardening secrets and happy growing. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your garden thrive.